Your name?
Melanie Buted,
How old are you?
43,
What is your religion?
Christian,
Are you married?
single.
Do you have son or daughter?
No,
Okay. How long you have been working in Hong Kong?
12 years.
Do you have working experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am, Middle East.
Okay. How long you have been working with your current employer in Hong Kong?
1 year and 7 months.
Where is your latest employer living in?
Colon City,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,600.
How many family members are they?
1
One on
elderly,
one elderly. How old the elderly?
92 years old.
Would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the
I
morning?
wake up in the morning around 6 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
I cook the breakfast of my employer, do
Okay.
cleaning, and help her to take a bath.
Okay. Then, do you assist her going to
Then
the
I assist her
hospital?
going to the hospital for follow-up checkup.
Okay. Then, do you do the laundry,
Yes, do the laundry and cleaning the house,
cooking?
cooking
Okay.
and
So do you
marketing.
go? Okay. Go to marketing. Do you prepare dinner?
Yes, ma'am.
What time?
I prepare at 5 o'clock and my employer eat at 6 o'clock,
Okay. So until what time you go to sleep?
8 o'clock
Where will you go on your holiday?
in the church, ma'am.
Okay. What kind of household chores are you good for?
Cleaning and cooking,
Taking care?
taking care of elderly and kids.
Okay. So what is your job in your country before you came to Hong Kong?
Factory worker, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.